What's up, my friends? Picked up some beef kebabs at my local grocery store. Came back home and I thought this would be a great time to have a face-off. So that's what we're going to do. We got 3 seasonings or rubs. We're going to try them out on this beef and see which one comes out on top. So let's get started. First up, we've got Dirty Bird from Cosmos Q. Next, we've got Holy Cow. This is from Meat Church. Very popular on YouTube. This one I haven't heard of. This is from Fire and Smoke Barbecue Company. It's the Estes Avenue burger seasoning. Yes, it doesn't say steak, but it's a burger, so ought to be pretty good on a steak. Let's hope. All right, let's open these up, take a look at the actual seasoning. First, we have the Estes Avenue burger seasoning. Smells pretty good. You can see that mustard seed in there, or at least I can. Now we have the Dirty Bird. As far as the seasoning, it's very consistent in size. Smells about the same. Then of course we got Meat Church. Looks to be very heavy in pepper. Definitely see the paprika in that. All these smell about the same. They all smell good. All right, let's season these kebabs up. All right, I just seasoned the Meat Church up, and I used my tenderizer. And I gotta tell you, this thing is dangerous if you don't watch out. I got my finger one time, and that finger stayed numb for weeks. I'm going pretty heavy on the seasoning. Go ahead and leave some on the plate. That way I just go ahead and do the other side. And tenderize these up. I'm going to do the same with my last one, the Estes Avenue burger seasoning. And then we'll go out to the grill. All right, our grill is around 400 degrees. Don't mind those, I got a couple little extras. Fortunately, by the seasoning, I can tell what's what, so label's not going to be a real big deal. All right, we'll come back. All right, let's go try them out. All right, I'm gonna let these rest and then we'll try them out. All right, man, it smells good in here. We're gonna start with the Meat Church. About medium well. Yum, yum. This one's good. It's got that coarse ground black pepper. That definitely comes through. Getting some garlic, paprika. Overall, it's good. I like that. I like the coarse black pepper. Salt, picking up on salt with that one too. That one's really good. Next, the Estes Avenue. Now this one looks real good because of the mustard seed. So if you're not a mustard fan, you might not like this one. But mustard is a meat enhancer, in case you didn't know. Damn. Uh-oh. Damn. This one's good. First bite, delicious. The kind of bite you want. Plus with the grill, gave it a little bit of smokiness. That's good. So far, all winners. Now to the Dirty Bird. This is a little more well done. I don't like well done, by the way. This is good. Get my other piece of Dirty Bird. Hopefully it's not kind of overcooked, this one. Flavor's real good. This one's got a little bit of sweetness in it. Looks like there's some brown sugar in this one. It's yummy. This one's at a slight disadvantage because this one's almost well done. It might pass as medium well. All right. All three are delicious. I'd be happy with any one of them. But maybe it had something to do with just the right cook. But there's my winner today, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Fire and Smoke, Estes Avenue. For some reason, I'm just loving it. Plus, I got that smoky hit on that first bite. It was just right up my alley, or avenue. That's it, for sure. Estes Avenue from Fire and Smoke. That's my winner today. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. As always, I wish you good eating.